Dear Giselle's friends, today let's prepare a truly delicious side dish together. Excellent cold, hot, on toast. In short, one of those simple but versatile recipes. Peperonata. I'm getting hungry. Must be the scent of peppers. The recipe wants, in fact. Let's start from a nice rhythmic base. The pan is already hot. I'll pour a drizzle of oil into it. Now 2 cloves of garlic, already unpeeled. Let's flavor our oil. Now the onions. For this recipe I chose Tropea onions, beautifully sweet, perfect also raw, and in salads. Causing bad breath, but still. Stew them well, don't rush it, keep them on medium heat, stirring every now and then, for 15 minutes. During this quarter of an hour, they will release their characteristic sweetness, which pairs perfectly with peppers. In the meantime, I'll take care of the peppers. I've found the yellow, red and green ones. They're full of vitamins and antioxidants. What are you waiting for? If you still don't eat peppers, taste the pepper, you'll see. I'm going to cut it tight, carefully avoiding the seeds and the white parts, which are less easy to digest. Then I make myself comfortable and slice it into thick strips. Now it's its red cousin's turn, and I continue with all the others. The onions are stewed. Let's add to the peppers. Salt and pepper. A good stir. And let's cover it. Let it cook for 15 minutes on medium heat. And then we can say goodbye to the 2 cloves of garlic that have done their job. Bye guys. And I can add my tomato sauce. A generous stir. Cover. Leave it to simmer for another 15 minutes. And then we can plate it. And here is my peperonata with an incredible aroma, bright colors and an unmistakable flavor. I'll link down below the photo recipe on GialloZafferano. We will find ingredients, measurements and the step-by-step procedure. If you liked this video, leave a nice like, and if you have any questions, write them in the comments. I'll answer you in person. Or if you haven't done it yet, subscribe to the channel. Peperonata. See you next time.
Ciao ragazzi. Ciao.